Hello, this is Aurora from Amitime. I would like to introduce one of our swimming pool heat pumps to you. This is our physics series. The whole series are one-phase units with side discharge design and plastic housing. The capacity of this series ranges from 7 to 20 kilowatts at A26 W26 working condition, and the COP is up to 6.36. The working conditions of this series is between -7 to 43 degrees Celsius ambient temperature. The water outlet temperature is up to 40 degrees Celsius. This series is suitable for swimming pool whose volume is between 20 to 60 cubic meters. The units are equipped with DC inverter compressor, fin evaporator, DC fan motor, and waterproof controller. There are many advantages of this series. They are easy to be installed. They are very quiet during operation. They can be controlled by applications through Wi-Fi modules, and they have high efficiency as well as good quality. If you want to know more about this series, please feel free to contact us. Thanks.